Hi everybody, Robert here again with more Revit training. Today I'm going to question here, little project I've been working on here, and we're going to look at, this is like a demo. We're going to make this a demo plan. So basically what has to happen here, if you go on our properties, and you scroll all the way down, you have these phases, phase and phase filters here. And so what happens here is, let me just double check here what we got here. Okay, this is all new construction. But normally what's going to happen when you look at phase filters in a regular file, it's going to probably be none here. And you're going to place new elements as new construction. See, I select that wall. So if I select this wall, it's also going to be new construction. So these are all new, everything in here. So basically, what I'm going to have to do here, this is all got to go. And this door is going to change over here. So how you do that, you have to change everything here to existing. So say I select this wall. Actually, let me see if I can tab and get them all at one hit. Tab, yep. And I want to change these guys to existing. They should come in light now. Actually, no, they're not yet. So I'm going to get these stairs. I want to change everything in it to existing. New construction, say existing. So once you do that, so I got this here, existing. So now we don't really have this here, so I'm going to delete that out. So once you have everything here, let me see. That one is also new. Let me see if I can grab all of these. This floor is going to also be existing. I wonder if I can grab everything. These doors. Let's just do this. So say. And okay, I don't get that option now here. So let me see if I could just take the walls here. Phasing, new construction. I want this to be existing. Tab here. This is going to be existing. So when you do a demo, you gotta have everything in here is existing. Because normally when I created this is all new. So I should have done it that way, but we didn't know that until now. So now I think we got everything in here is existing. So if I select this wall, new construction, okay, this is going to also be existing. This door here, existing. So that's the first thing you need to do. So if I can grab all this, don't give me that option. So once you have everything as existing here, you want to decide what you're going to get rid of here. Now here our phase filter says none right now, but so I will go here and I'm going to go into modify tube and just grab this hammer here and say this has got to go. But in the phase filter you want to show demo and new. I'm sorry. Nope, that's not right. Let me undo that right quick. We want to show all here. Okay, now we're showing all so we can take this hammer and basically show all the elements we want to delete here. So we're deleting this. This goes. This door is going to go. So it'll come out dashed. This is going to go. I think we might want to keep that door. So I'm going to undo that back. So as you can see now, we're in the first floor plan. But before we did that, we want to duplicate that. So basically how this all goes, and then we can go into our modify tab, our manage tab here, and go into phases. And if you look here under existing, you have the filters here, and it shows what you have. So show complete, new, existing, demolish here, and then the graphic overrides are here. Say so for existing or demolish, we got the hidden line for cut lines and sticks. So let's maybe bulk these lines up for demolish, and let's make this let's say make it a 3. Well, they don't look that much heavy. Actually, look like they turn blue on me. So we're going to keep the stairs. This door stays. So everything that's dashed is out. So then we want to rename this drawing here. So basically what's going to happen is we're going to do our work here. And then we're going to go back down here into our settings. And we want to show, so we want to say show new. Okay, nope, sorry, I did that wrong again. We want to show all, and then in new construction, we want to show existing. So this is what we're going to have, and we're going to do our new work in. So I'm going to go out of here. I've done this, so this is what happens with this project now. So we've got our filters all done and everything. Once you get that done, then we'll go here, and we'll need to recreate rename these drawings based on what we're using here. So this is going to be our demo. So I'm going to switch out to this project I've been doing. So here, our demo again, and we go into our properties. On our project browser, this is going to be our first floor demo, and the saved settings are going to be show all new construction. Okay, that's going to be our demo drawing. And then our next drawing we're going to create here. We're going to show complete. Now this is going to be complete, and in the phase properties it's going to be show complete new construction. So here I'm going to put all my new elements. There's the door missing and everything. So this is a little project I'm working on, and I just want to review phases, setting up new drawings and demos. So if I go to my second floor here, you got the same situation. All this stuff is going to be removed, and then this is all. If I click on it, that's new construction. Okay, sorry. Nope, this one. Second floor here. There's our second floor. And then our second floor demo. I think I'm in the wrong drawing file again. Oh gosh. I think I might leave it there. There we go. That's my first floor we're going to use. That we've got our complete, the way we're going to show our new elements in. And then here, we're going to go to the second floor here. And these are all going to have to be existing. But we don't have none here. So I'll go down to my project browser and the drawing I created. So once you create these views, here, this is the second floor demo, and this again in the properties, show all new construction. Okay, and then if I go into my let's go up to my second floor complete. There's an empty space, and there's we're going to do our remodeling and stuff. So I've got my drawing set up. Now I'm going to go in and do my work. So this is going to be my finished plan here. I'm going to put a bar here. I can just stick it in there now, I guess. And there's going to be some tables here. So that whole space is going to be empty out. So basically what we did here, we have, I'll break this down into more detail. We have our first floor. We start out with our original first floor here. Then we demoed it here. Then we got to complete where we got the empty space where we work in. Same here on the second floor. We got our second floor. We got a demo here where we take all the walls with the dashed lines here. And then we've got our complete where we're going to do our design in. So hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I just wanted to show you how to do demo and phases in Revit and set up drawings for demolition. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Please like, subscribe.